Hi guys, and today we are doing a Nerf gun war, and with my brother,
Gavin. Go subscribe to my channel and also subscribe to his channel.
because this is my first YouTube video.
Yeah, and so we are doing a Nerf gun war with me, Gavin, and Ryan. So what we are going to be doing, if you get hit 3 times,
You're out.
You're out, and the other person wins. But headshots don't count. And actually, that's all. All right, pick up your weapons. 3, 2, 1, fight! I'm gonna destroy you.
You're done for.
He's been hit.
I wish we had a camera, man.
I'm out of ammo. Hey, Pete, I'm out of ammo. I'm out of ammo. No, you can shoot me.
Remember, you can only go on the second steel.
Oh no. He's been shooting. Oh, I've been hit. I've been hit.
That's one. That's to be your second.
No!
Oh, he misses. And he shoots. And he misses again. And he pulls jammed.
Jammed. Jammed.
Jammed.
Oh, shit.
I don't have any bullets. Reloading. Get in. Why are you so bad at aim?
Oh, no!
Oh, come on. Show yourself. Show yourself. Show yourself now. Did I get you?
You missed. Oh, I've been hit.
No, that was a headshot.
Headshot, didn't count.
This is awesome. I'm gonna win. As you can see, Gavin is trying to shoot me.
I've been hit. And so is he.
You're almost done for.
We both have 1 life left.
True. can see, I took him down. Yep.
Wow, look at this dead man. We really like this man, but I had to kill him. He was annoying. So, bye-bye, my junior. For today's video, like and subscribe. Peace!